Hi everybody, and welcome to the latest video in our look back at some of our most popular videos. Now the question on this video is going to be a question that more and more people are going to be asking themselves. Should I learn in an automatic car as opposed to manual? The answer is, it really is up to yourself. I can tell you that in our own driving school, idrivetralee.com, we have seen a marked increase in the demand for automatic lessons in the last couple of months. So more and more people are deciding to learn in an automatic. But there are lots of questions you have to ask yourself before you make that decision. And in this video, we run through quite a few of those. So have a listen to my ramblings as I go. Like a lot of other questions around the driving test, it really is a decision for yourself, and everybody's answer is going to be very different on this. So while I'll give you my thoughts on it, remember, like everything I tell you about driving, there are a variety of answers. None are particularly right or wrong. It all depends on yourself and your circumstances and how you feel about driving. So, automatic driving lessons. Now, there is no doubt that automatics and hybrids are the way of the future. We will all probably be driving hybrids and electric cars in the future, and that's probably not that far away, to be honest. So a lot of people now are looking at the automatic alternative, I suppose, when you're learning to drive, and asking themselves, will they take that particular route? Now, there is no doubt the automatic route is much easier because you have no clutch, you have no gears, you have a gas pedal and you have a brake, and that is it. So it does make the physical driving a lot easier. What it does as well for people who are a bit anxious driving, who suffer from driving anxiety, is it takes a lot of it, nearly halves, I would think, the amount of anxiety you have, because you have way more time to think about the roundabout in front of you, or to think about the junction and what you need to do, as opposed to thinking about what gear you're in and do you need to press up or down the clutch and do you need to change gears. So it takes a lot of that out, and for people who are finding driving very challenging, an automatic can be a fantastic alternative. The other reason for automatic is that like I say, in probably a short couple of years, most of us will be driving automatics. I mean, I have young pupils already who are deciding to go the automatic route because their mom and dads both drive hybrids at home, and they reckon they will have no reason to drive a manual car in the future. So if that's you and you're happy with the automatic route, then absolutely brilliant, go with it. I would say 110%. There's no doubt in Ireland, though, that for the immediate future, the amount of manual cars will still exceed automatics. So there will still be a majority of people driving manual cars as opposed to automatics. But is it the way of the future? Yes, it probably is. And to the best of my knowledge, they are going to stop making manual cars somewhere around 2030, which is not that far away. You won't be able to buy new manual cars, apparently. It's just like diesel is going as well. I'm driving a Ford diesel at the moment for the driving school, and I can't buy another Ford diesel in this model because they don't make them anymore. So manual and diesel is being phased out over the next couple of years, and that might affect your decision as to whether you drive an automatic or not. But I think the main one for now is for people who find driving challenging and find learning to drive very challenging. The automatic is a very what's the word I'm looking for? Realistic, I suppose, alternative now. Up until the last year or two, most people would have said you needed a manual because the vast majority of cars in Ireland are manual, and it was going to stay that way for a long time. But that is changing, and it is changing very quickly. So if you're thinking about automatic, have a chat with your driving instructor. They will give you advice on whether they feel it will be a suitable alternative for you or not. Well, that was either very helpful or confused you even more. I hope it wasn't the latter. Best of luck with your decision on manual or automatic in 2023, and the very best of luck if you are doing your driving test. If you want that extra little bit of help that could push you over the line and get you past the driving test, check out our website PassFirstTime.ie for all the latest tips and tricks regarding the driving test, and of course our online course, which is on special offer at the moment. Check it out at PassFirstTime.ie. The best of luck with the test, and I'll see you in the next video. Want to pass your driving test first time? Check out our pre-test driving course, saving you time, money, and giving you the best chance of passing first time. With RSA approved driving instructors, short, easy to follow video lessons covering all topics: reverse, turnabout, marking sheet, dual carriageway, car checks, bonnet checks, and a whole lot more to help you pass your driving test. This is your 24/7 driving instructor. Check it out today.